racing. We've got Buwayang Bato looking for the lead. It's Buwayang Bato, Makarit in second, and Lucky Notno is racing in third. And at the backstretch, it's Buwayang Bato moving up naman. The outside is Makarit. And four lengths back in third is Lucky Notno. Past the last 800, it's Buwayang Bato still ahead over Makarit on the outside. And a long way back to Lucky Notno. And around a fourth turn, the lead is taken over now by Makarit. Over Buwayang Bato, down on the inside, and Lucky Notno. 400 meters to go. It's Makarit. Still in front over Buwayang Bato to the inside, and a long way back to Lucky Notno. And at the top of the stretch, it's Makarit, followed by Buwayang Bato and Lucky Notno. And nearing the payoff line, it's all Makarit, Buwayang Bato, Lucky Notno.